given that log to the base 600 equals a times log to the base 420 plus b times log to the base 424 plus c, we need to find a plus b plus c, where a, b and c are integers, right? So the first thing to remember is the logarithm properties. So there are two. I think I will write down the others. I think everybody is very familiar with. I think they are, the first one is log to the base a to the power m, and then if you have again a to the power n, if it can be written like that, if any integer, then where a and mn are all integers, okay, and is, no, okay, we'll come to that, is equal to n out of m, where m is not equal to 0. So this can be done. The other thing that can be done is we can write log to the base, if you have a, base a and b, it is equal to log to the base c b divided by log to the base c a. Okay, so these are the two properties, along with the others, the where log a times b is log a plus log b, so other than that, and also the power properties. Other than that, these are the main ones, I think, the important ones. A little bit uncommon. I haven't used them before in any other video, that's why I say uncommon, but it might be very common to the viewers. So so this one I will be using. So to start with, I can write, so this one, log to the base 600, I can write it as changing it all to log to the base 4. So I can write this as log to the base 4 600 divided by log to the base 4 2. So you see, log to the base 4 2 can be written in this format because 4 is 2 square, okay? So I will do that in the next step, and that is equal to, I can write this as log to the base 4 20 to the power a plus log to the base 4 24 to the power b plus c. So you see, c can be written as c multiplied by log to the base 4. That would be 1. So I can write that here. So log to the base 4. So next step will be to write, therefore I can write log to the base 4 600 divided by, see, if I use another pen color, log to the base 2 square 2 to the power 1. So that is equal to log to the base 4 2, and that is equal to 1 out of 2. Okay, so this is to be remembered. Okay, so I will be using that. So I can write it here divided by half, and that equals log to the base 4. I can take 20 to the power a multiplied by 24 to the power b multiplied by, here you see, here this is c4, so this can be written as 4 to the power c. So that's what I will write, 4 to the power c. So I think it is clear. There's nothing very difficult about this when you use the properties. It's very easy. So then this becomes log to the base 4 600 equals half log to the base 4 20 to the power a times 24 to the power b times 4 to the power c. So I can write now this rest is equal to log to the base 4, and this half will be power half, so I can write 20 to the power a times 24 to the power b times 4 to the power c to the power half. So that would be log to the base 4 and 20 to the power a out of 2, b out of 2. Okay, so now this is equal to log to the base 4 600. So these logs can cancel out. I don't need to write them anymore. I can just write, therefore 600 equals 20 to the power a out of 2 times 24 to the power b out of 2 times 4 to the power c out of 2. Now what do I do with 600 and the 20s and 24s? Well, of course I'm going to break them down into, the factors. 600 I can write as 24 times 25. So instead of writing 24, I'm going to write 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24 times 25, that is 5 square, equals 20. I can write 4 to the power a out of 2 times 5 to the power a out of 2 multiplied by 24 is 4 times 6, so 4 to the power b out of 2 multiplied by 6 to the power b out of 2 and multiplied by 4 to the power c out of 2. I don't break it down again to 2 because I didn't think it was needed. So then we can write, therefore 4 times 6 times 5 square equals 4 to the power, there is 4, 4, 4. So the a out of 2 plus b out of 2 plus c out of 2 multiplied by 5 to the power a out of 2 multiplied by 6 to the power b out of 2. So equating the respective powers, equating the powers with the same bases, if we say that, equating the powers with the same bases, then what I would have is 1 equals, because 4 is to the power 1, so 1 equals a out of 2 plus b out of 2 plus c out of 2, and then I get, for 6 I would get 1 equals b out of 2 and therefore b equals 2, and then for 5 I would get and 2 equals a out of 2, therefore a equals 4. So I know a equals 4, b equals 2, and from here I get a plus b plus c equals 2, and therefore put in the values. So a is 4 plus b is 2 plus c is 2, therefore c is minus 4. So now the final answer, a plus b plus c equals 4 plus 2 minus 4, that is equal to 2. So the answer is a plus b plus c equals 2. And that's the answer. So thank you for viewing, thank you for your time, hope this was helpful. And if you're interested in more maths problem solving videos, please visit at Hypatia Math 147, and thank you very much.